Well, let's switch gears and talk about the tropics. So we are keeping a very close eye on extremely dangerous Hurricane Maria. So it has maintained its strength, maximum sustained winds at 175 miles an hour. Now you will see the very dangerous core of this storm moving into St. Croix is expected to continue moving over the U.S. British Islands tonight and then take aim at Puerto Rico by tomorrow morning as a Category 4 or Category 5 hurricane. Regardless, it will be extremely dangerous and potentially rather catastrophic for Puerto Rico. You can see on this track moving west-northwest right around 10 miles an hour. And then it does look like by Thursday into Friday, we see it make a shift to the north, taking it up the Atlantic here. High pressure expected to keep Maria away, further away from the East Coast. Of course, that's something, though, we'll be tracking. Things can change. And speaking of Maria, the computer models here, I was jumping to Jose. The computer models in agreement about that. Obviously, disagreement, though, about just how far away it's going to be from the East Coast. And we know that matters a lot when we're talking about a hurricane moving up the eastern seaboard there. Jose has weakened now to a tropical storm. So maximum sustained winds are down to 75 miles an hour, and additional weakening is expected over the next 48 hours. It looks kind of at this point like it's barely holding on to its tropical characteristics. So we watch it moving northeast here, and then by Friday actually kind of looping around. There's the potential we could see a few more showers from Jose, but it really looks like for the most part, this is really just going to dissipate. However, we're going to continue to see rough surf over the next couple of days. Now, the eastern shore was pretty much covered in rain earlier today from some of the outer bands from Jose. That rain is really dissipating and will continue to do so. As for temperatures, Baltimore, we're dipped down into the mid-70s. Frederick, 66. Hagerstown, 70 on the dot. As for those winds, so it certainly was a breezy day. We saw winds for Ocean City right around 20 miles an hour. Those are already starting to quiet down as Maria moves away from us. And the radar and satellite showing pretty quiet conditions. Now, let's look at the futurecast. Here we are tonight at midnight. The last of the cloud cover clears on out of here. Wednesday, a nice dose of sunshine. Thursday, a nice dose of sunshine. Friday, I could go on. That's just kind of the pattern we're in right now. If you're taking the boat out tomorrow, northwest winds right around 10 knots. Tonight, headed for 66. Tomorrow, 85 with a nice dose of sunshine throughout the day. Have to show you the 5-day there. It's summer, yes, I guess until Friday, but the weekend looking rather summer-like as well.